You need to hear this if you're a solo traveler looking for the ultimate adventure. Picture this: the gentle sway of the ocean, the rhythmic sound of waves lapping against the hull of a grand ship, creating a symphony that soothes the soul. Feel the warm breeze in your hair, a gentle reminder of the freedom that lies ahead as you stand on the deck, gazing out at the endless horizon. And then, as the day draws to a close, witness a breathtaking sunset painting the sky in hues of orange and purple, a masterpiece of nature that leaves you in awe. This isn't a scene from a movie, it's the promise of a solo cruise adventure with Tennuchi's Travels Limited, where every moment is crafted to perfection. Imagine yourself on the deck of a luxurious ship, the epitome of elegance and comfort, where every detail is designed to enhance your experience. The world at your fingertips, ready to be explored with endless opportunities for adventure and discovery. Ready to embark on an unforgettable journey where each day brings new experiences and memories that will last a lifetime. The allure of a solo cruise lies in its unique blend of freedom and luxury, offering you the chance to explore at your own pace. You set the pace, choosing to explore bustling port cities, each with its own unique charm and culture, or simply relax by the pool, soaking up the sun and enjoying the tranquility. Indulge in world-class dining experiences where gourmet meals are prepared by top chefs, offering a culinary journey that rivals the destinations themselves. With Tennuchi's Travels Limited, the journey is yours to craft, tailored to your desires and preferences, ensuring that every moment is exactly as you imagined. Every moment is an opportunity for discovery, relaxation and pure enjoyment, whether you're exploring new places or simply taking in the beauty of the open sea. This is more than just a vacation, it's an escape from the ordinary, a chance to break free from the routine and experience something truly extraordinary. A chance to reconnect with yourself, to find peace and inspiration, and to embrace the world with open arms, ready for whatever comes next. Are you ready to set sail? To embark on a journey that promises not just relaxation, but a deeper connection with the world and with yourself. The adventure of a lifetime awaits, and it's calling your name. Stay tuned for the next chapters, where we'll dive deeper into the wonders that await on this solo cruise adventure. Your journey has just begun. This is why you need to pack smart for your solo cruise adventure. Before you set sail on your solo adventure, careful planning ensures smooth sailing. Taking the time to prepare properly can make all the difference in your travel experience. From packing the right items to booking your cruise, every step is crucial. First things first, pack light. Overpacking can weigh you down and make your journey less enjoyable. Stick to the essentials and remember that less is more. Choose versatile clothing items that can be dressed up or down. Think about pieces that can be mixed and matched to create multiple outfits. This way, you can be prepared for any occasion without overloading your suitcase. Remember swimwear for those sunny days by the pool and comfortable shoes for exploring new cities. Whether you're lounging on the deck or walking through charming streets, having the right attire is key. Booking your solo cruise with Tennuchi's Travels Limited is a breeze. Our platform is designed to make the process as simple and stress-free as possible. Our user-friendly website allows you to browse itineraries, select your desired cabin, and even pre-book shore excursions. You can customize your trip to fit your preferences and ensure you don't miss out on any must-see destinations. Don't forget travel essentials like your passport, insurance documents, and any necessary medications. These items are crucial for a smooth journey and should be kept in an easily accessible place. Packing cubes are your best friend for keeping your suitcase organized. They help you separate different types of clothing and make it easier to find what you need without unpacking everything. Roll your clothes instead of folding to maximize space and minimize wrinkles. This technique not only saves room but also keeps your outfits looking fresh and ready to wear. And most importantly, pack your sense of adventure. Bring along travel journals and maps to document your journey and navigate new places. These tools can enhance your experience and help you create lasting memories. With Tennuchi's Travels Limited, your solo cruise is just a few clicks away. Our seamless booking process ensures that you can focus on the excitement of your upcoming adventure rather than the logistics. Get ready to embark on a journey that will leave you with memories to last a lifetime. The anticipation of new experiences and the thrill of exploring uncharted territories await you. So take a deep breath, relax, and let the adventure begin. For more travel tips and exciting adventures, make sure to subscribe to our channel. Stay tuned for more insights and inspiration for your next journey. This is why you need to experience a solo cruise adventure. Stepping onto the ship for the first time is an exhilarating experience. The sheer scale of the vessel takes your breath away, and the air buzzes with a sense of excitement. Friendly staff members are on hand to guide you, ensuring a smooth transition into your home away from home. Take some time to explore the ship and familiarize yourself with its layout. Discover hidden nooks, cozy cafes, and sprawling decks offering panoramic ocean views. Don't be shy about striking up conversations with fellow passengers. You never know who you might meet. Indulge in the ship's many amenities, from sparkling pools and invigorating spas to state-of-the-art fitness centers and duty-free shopping. Attend an informative talk, try your hand at a cooking class, or simply relax with a book by the pool. The ship is your oyster, ready to be explored and enjoyed. Let the adventure begin. Have you been on a cruise before? Share your own cruise experiences in the comments below and let us know your favorite moments. I don't think people understand just how fun it is to meet new friends on a solo cruise. Section 4. Bon voyage to boredom, finding your people on the open sea. Embarking on a solo cruise can be an exhilarating experience, filled with endless possibilities and new horizons. But one of the most delightful surprises is the ease with which you can connect with fellow travelers. One of the biggest surprises of a solo cruise is the ease with which you connect with fellow travelers. From the moment you step aboard, you're surrounded by like-minded individuals who share your thirst for adventure. The cruise ship becomes a melting pot of diverse backgrounds and stories, all united by a common love for exploration and discovery. From the moment you step aboard, you're surrounded by like-minded individuals who share your thirst for adventure. Whether you're an adrenaline junkie looking for the next thrill, or a culture enthusiast eager to learn about new places, there's always someone who shares your passion. The camaraderie that forms among travelers is truly special. Group activities provide the perfect opportunity to break the ice. The cruise ship offers a plethora of activities designed to bring people together. From fitness classes to cooking demonstrations, there's something for everyone. These activities are not just about having fun, they're about creating bonds and making memories. Join a trivia night, participate in a dance class, or test your knowledge at a wine tasting. These events are designed to be interactive and engaging, ensuring that you never feel like an outsider. The shared experiences create a sense of community and belonging. Dining solo doesn't have to be intimidating either. In fact, it can be one of the most enjoyable parts of your journey. Many cruise lines have recognized the importance of social dining and have created spaces that encourage interaction. Many cruise lines offer communal tables, allowing you to share meals and stories with new friends. These communal dining experiences are often the highlight of the trip, as they provide a relaxed environment to get to know your fellow travelers. Conversations flow easily over delicious meals, and before you know it, you're laughing and sharing stories like old friends. Embrace the social atmosphere and you'll find yourself building genuine connections. The cruise ship's design and activities are all geared towards fostering social interaction. Whether you're lounging by the pool or attending a theme party, there's always an opportunity to meet someone new. Share travel tips, swap stories, and create memories that will last long after the cruise is over. The friendships you form on a cruise can be incredibly meaningful. There's something about being in a new environment, away from the routines of daily life, that allows people to open up and connect on a deeper level. Who knows, you might even find yourself planning your next adventure with your newfound travel buddies. The connections you make on a cruise can lead to lifelong friendships and future travel plans. It's not uncommon for travelers to reunite on future cruises or plan trips together to new destinations. Solo travel doesn't mean traveling alone. It's about embracing the opportunity to make new connections along the way. The beauty of a solo cruise is that it offers the perfect balance of independence and social interaction. You have the freedom to explore on your own terms, but you're never truly alone. The open sea is a vast, welcoming place, and the people you meet along the way make the journey even more unforgettable. We'd love to hear from you. What are your favorite activities on a cruise? Share your experiences and tips in the comments below. Let's keep the conversation going and inspire each other for our next adventures. You need to hear this if you're a travel enthusiast. Immersing yourself in new cultures. The thrill of waking up in a new destination each day is one of the most exciting aspects of a cruise vacation. From historic cities to tropical paradises, each port of call offers a unique opportunity for exploration and discovery. Tennuchi's Travels Limited offers a wide array of shore excursions to cater to every taste. Embark on a guided tour through ancient ruins, immerse yourself in the local culture at a bustling market, or simply relax on pristine beaches. For the adventurous souls, try ziplining through rainforests, snorkeling in crystal-clear waters, or hiking to breathtaking viewpoints. Foodies can indulge in culinary tours, sampling local delicacies and learning about regional cuisines. No matter your interests, there's a shore excursion waiting to create unforgettable memories. If you enjoyed this journey, don't forget to like and share this video and hit that subscribe button.